Welcome to our first video on how to navigate Design Studio. Let's start with the login page. Here, you'll need to log in using the email and password provided at the beginning of your training. This will grant you access to all the features and tools available in Design Studio. After logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The dashboard is where you'll see a list of all your projects. Let's create our first project. Click New 3D Project. Select version 5.0, then click Confirm. Once you enter the new project, select Draw to begin with a completely empty canvas. You'll begin in the Floor Plan tool, where you'll create a single room with a window and a door. Use the Rectangular Wall tool to make a basic room. Then once you have your room, go ahead and add a window and a door using the provided tools. Before we start placing cabinets, let's change to a 3D perspective. To do so, you can press 3 on your keyboard, or use the toolbar to switch perspective. Now, let's start placing cabinets. Head to the Advanced Tools section, and under Kitchen and Bath, you'll find the cabinets. When you first select Kitchen and Bath, you'll be taken to the Base Cabinet tab. You are looking for two types of cabinets, a B1D and a B2W, to bring them in. You will need to click on the cabinet and then click on the scene where you want the cabinets to be placed. The B1D is located in the Doors Only section under the Base tab. The B2W is located under the Drawers Only section. You might notice a snapping feature when you place them next to each other. Now let's look at how you can modify a cabinet. Click on a cabinet to select it, and the window on the right side of the screen will show all the parameters of the current cabinet. This is where you can modify the width and height of the cabinet, either by typing in the measurement or by using the arrows displaying on the cabinet. If your measurements are different, it's because I have my measurements set up differently. To change it, go to the top right of the screen, hover over your profile, and select Preferences. In the first page, you will be able to change the units to fractional inches and the precision to 1/16 inches. Now let's try to change the material of the cabinet. In the parameter window, go to the Style Replacement section and modify the body material. Change it to another material. You will be able to see the changes in the editor. Now let's take a look at the B2W and try to change the drawer style. To find where to change the drawer style, it will be in the Style Replacement section. Then look for Drawer Type and select a drawer style of your choosing. If an error appears, this is because the current drawer color is not available for this type of drawer. Some features have their own packages that don't share them with other features, like how this drawer package does not have the default color in its list. When you apply the change, you will see the body material changes in the editor. Remember, what you see in Design Studio is what you will get as the product. If you do not see an edge band in Design Studio, then there will be no edge band on the actual product. To confirm the internal material, you can open the cabinets using the toolkit or the shortcut Ctrl-O to quickly close the cabinet. When your project is finished, you'll want to create a high-quality image of the project. Click the button at the top of the toolbar labeled Images/Video. Adjust the desired angle and select a resolution. For lighting, we recommend using ambient lights on realistic indoor daytime with automatic brightness. Once you've finished, click on Generate. The photo will be saved into the gallery. After the image has been fully generated, you can use it to showcase your project. While the image takes some time to render, let's go over how to save the project. To save your project, either click the Save button on the main toolbar, or use the shortcut Ctrl-S for Windows or Command-S for Mac. You'll be prompted to name the project. It's a good idea to use your client's name to keep track of the project. That's it for this first video on navigating Design Studio. We've covered logging in, organizing your dashboard, creating a new project, and configuring essential settings. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into more advanced features and tools of Design Studio. Thank you for watching.